Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today I'm going to show you how I built this miniature kids fun zone. I started with a sheet of black foam board and I cut 6 inches off the side. Then I cut some strips of the foam board that were 3 inches wide and glued them around the base of the bigger sheet. Then I took 2 more strips and glued them around the top. Basically, I want to be able to take the walls off and fold them up for storage. So I thought by putting the strips around the top that it would kind of hold it in place better. Then I cut the walls. I used some painter's tape to hold them together and a little glue. I got these foam sheets at Hobby Lobby. I cut them in half and started gluing them on the bottom part of the wall. I used a cream colored scrapbook paper for the top part of the wall. I wanted to leave part of the wall exposed without the foam glued onto it for the rock climbing wall. So I cut the blue foam, I just kind of curved it and made a little design and then glued it on. Then I took some foam clay and made the little rocks to glue on the wall for the rock climbing area. Next, I took this blue tub I had tried to make a swimming pool out of, and I took blue sponges and cut them up to make the foam pit. I cut a hole in the floor for the foam pit. Then I started gluing on the blue foam for the floor. I painted the rocks for the rock climbing wall and then glued them on. Then I drew out an area for the trampoline and I used a black sock and cut it open for the actual trampoline. I just slowly glued it on one side. I would pull it really tight to the other side and I think it looks pretty good. I took some of the red foam and put around the trampoline. Next, I took 4 pieces of the foam board and cut them out and glued them together to make a tall rectangle. Then I added a top, and then I covered the whole structure in the red foam. And then I took some of the black foam and made like a ladder on the side. I wasn't happy that you could see the rough edge around the trampoline, so I cut some thin strips of the red foam and glued it on. Then I took a circle out of the foam board and 2 circles out of the red foam and glued them together and then glued a strip around the edge. I made a hole in the middle and strung this string through it to make a swing over the foam pit. Then I took 2 popsicle sticks with their ends cut off and glued them to the top and the back of the wall to hold the swing. And then I did the same thing over the rock wall, except instead of a swing, I added a harness. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.